Today is Friday, the 26th of April. It's 5:15 p.m. Of May. 26th of May, 5:15 p.m. We're in Quartzsite, Arizona. 88 shades. It's about 90 degrees out here. And what we're doing is replacing the pedal on the toilet. Before in late August, September, we replaced
the cable
on the toilet. Now, hopefully this is the last time for the toilet, right?
Yeah. Except for that air cable. There's two cables in there. And it's scraping it. I'm not scraped that off of there. It isn't crap. It's mineral buildup. The water. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with the hose. See what happens. That flange is on the outside, it's not on the inside. So there's no scrape, no scrape on the inside. None of this ever gets crappy. It's all sealed in. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm starting to scratch the booger. Okay, first thing is Phillips screwdriver, and this is the tool that says you need. Long nose pliers. We're using long nose light. You gotta take off the access plate first. That one. We did the same thing to get the cable changed as we do. We're just changing the pedal too. Pedals. And these screws ain't magnetic. They're brass alloy. Where did I put the other one? Where did I put this first one? Where's it gone? Oh, here it is. This is a metal one. This is the ones that originally came with it. The brass don't rust. Somebody put that in there after. See it?
Yep.
But I think that's it. That must be a brass one too. I think the water just kept dripping on it somehow. I don't know. Oh no, where the hell did that go? I don't see it. It's not magnetic, Patsy. Yes. Okay, so they're not brass bolts. Mag them off, you'll find it, right? It didn't. Wonder where it went. Huh. Nope. Alright, so this center one, come over here, look. This camera. We won't be putting that center one back on. How's this one from there? What do you think the motto was? Maybe you put the camera off and you can go see if you can find it.
Okay, over and out.